Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and importing core libs, CV2, NumPy, Matplotlib. Once done, load your image or open the webcam. Make sure data is in BGR or RGB as needed. Next, compute a zoom factor and the pixel center you want to focus on. Now crop a region around that center proportional to 1/zoom and use CV2. Resize to scale it back. This gives a precise zoomed view. Keep aspect ratio consistent so the image doesn't skew. Once cropping is clear, calculate the rectangle. Half width equals W/2/zoom, half height equals H/2/zoom, then clamp to image bounds. Use CV2. Get rect subpix or array slicing to extract that region, then resize back to the original window size with interpolation to preserve details. For panning, update center coordinates before each crop. For animations, tween the zoom factor over frames. For scientific plots, plot with Matplotlib. You finish by exporting a single image or a video. Use CV2. ImWrite for stills, CV2. Video Writer for animations. To animate smoothly, interpolate both zoom and center across end frames and write each resized frame. For interactive apps, bind the mouse wheel to adjust zoom and update display in real time. If you see artifacts or black borders, make sure you clamp crop coordinates inside the source and use padding or reflection modes. This solves most edge and sampling problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.